In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add an image to a Framer project from both your personal computer and the web in a simple, easy-to-understand manner. Let's begin with the basics. Framer is a powerful tool that allows you to create and design. To add an image in Framer, you specifically need to drag and drop the image from your source into the Framer interface, whether your source is a file on your computer or an image from the internet. Now, let's look at the specifics if you're importing an image from your computer. Locate and open the folder containing the image that you wish to add to your Framer project. Click on the chosen image file. Holding down your left mouse button, drag the image to the Framer window. Unleash the mouse button to drop the image you've dragged into the Framer project. It will then automatically appear in your project window. This process is also known as the drag and drop method. This is a very straightforward and easy way to add an image into the Framer project from your computer. Next, let's talk about adding an image from the web. Now, be sure that you have rights or permissions to use the image from the web to avoid infringing copyright laws. Once you've found the picture you want to use, simply place your cursor over it. Click and hold the image and start dragging it outside of the search engine window towards your Framer project. Once you see that the project window is active, release your mouse button to drop the image into the Framer interface. Much like adding an image from your personal computer, adding an image from the web uses the same drag and drop method. Once the image lands in the Framer project, it automatically appears in your workspace. You can then move it around, resize it, or make any other adjustments using the Framer's object options as necessary. So, there you have it. All steps to successfully import and add images to your Framer project are incredibly easy and quick, allowing you to focus on the fun and creative part of the design process. With a couple of clicks and drags, you'll be able to bring your design to life in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't hesitate to explore various modes of adding and using images in your project. The more you do it, the more comfortable you will become with this function within Framer. Happy designing!